Hello, dear students. Before class we पढ़ी solve the system of linear equations by the help of Cramer's rules. Solve the system of linear equation by the help of Cramer's rules, or check the consistency and inconsistency of the linear equations by the help of Cramer's rules. हम कौन करबा Cramer's rules को help करके बा नहीं कि हम कौन करबा solve करबा linear equation कौन अछि ना x minus y plus z equal to 4 and 2x plus y minus 3z equal to 0, x plus y plus z equal to 2. They have to solve by the help of Cramer's rules. But we can check the consistency and inconsistency of the linear equations. The consistency and inconsistency of a linear equation कौन? A consistent होच कौन? Unique solution पाइबा और finite solution पाइबा, but solution must be exist. Inconsistent means solution not be exist. बुझला? So that the procedure will be for Cramer's rule. The procedure to solve the Cramer's rules, that is step 1. First step हम कौन करें? We have to check. But we have to first step कौन करेगा? Linear equation अच्छी. You can express in the coefficient of x, y, z. You can taking in by represented in matrix way like as 1 minus 1 1. देखो x minus y plus z equal to 4. हम फॉर्मेट कौन करबा ना ax equal to b, ax equal to b, that is a with the coefficient matrix, a with the coefficient matrix of the variable like is 1 minus 1 1, another is 2x plus y minus 3z, that is 2 plus 1 and minus 3, and third equation will be x plus y plus z equal to 2, that is 1 1 1. हम कौन करिबा ना a with the coefficient matrix, फिर a with the coefficient matrix of x y z and x with the column matrix of variable like x y z written in this way, and b with the right hand sides of the linear equation written in like as column wise 4 0 and 2, 4 0 and 2. This is the process of writing the linear system of linear equation in matrix way. So that in step 1 you can step 1 the determinant value or determinant coefficient of the value, the coefficient of the coefficient, the determinant of coefficient matrix, the determinant of find the determinant of coefficient matrix. First कौन करेगा स्टेप है ये जो अच्छी coefficient matrix अच्छी कहते हैं ना 1 minus 1 1 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1. कौन करेगा? We have to find out the determinant of coefficient matrix. First step में we have to find out the coefficient of by determinant of coefficient matrix. In second step कौन करेगा? हमें del x del y and del z करेगा. इधर कौन है जो determinant पाएगा जो del लिखो कौन है जो सिंबल वैल्यू del. Then second step we can find out the del x del y and del z, del x del y and del z. The del x can find out करेगा. The del x देखो ये जो determinant अच्छी 1 minus 1 1 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1, जो 1 2 1 the column 1 with the coefficient of x variable of coefficient and the minus 1 1 1 with the coefficient of the column 2 matrix का column 2 टा कौन होची ये column 2 कहाँ रखा coefficient ना y variable of y that is minus 1 1 1 अच्छी कि नहीं minus 1 1 1 the coefficient of y in the 1 minus 3 1 the coefficient of z the column 3 the coefficient of z अच्छा we can find out the del x means in the place of a variable of x the variable x किए ना coefficient of variable किए the 1 2 1 ना coefficient of x रो जगह केते लिखिबो ना right hand side रो value it is 402 I did 402 बुझला नहीं then column 2 and column 3 will be written in same like it minus 1 1 1 and 1 minus 3 1 बुझला then del कलर कोन अछि the determinant of line लिखि दोछि determinant of coefficient matrix that is del equal to determinant of del equal to 1 minus 1 1 2 1 minus 3 and 1 1 1 this is the determinant of coefficient matrix first we have to check out or find out the determinant of coefficient matrix and the determinant of coefficient of matrix must be not equal to 0 if not equal to 0 then exists to find out the values of x y z otherwise not possible but consistence केते बडा हबो जेते del not equal to 0 बुझला then we can find out del x को बुझे del x होची the variable of x रे the coefficient of x रे coefficient of x जगह रे we can write down the right hand sides of linear equations of values that is 402 and column 2 and column 3 written in same then we can find out the del y so এটা কোন করিব ডিটারমিনেন্ট অফ del x ফাইন্ড আউট করিব ডিটারমিনেন্ট অফ del x ফাইন্ড আউট করিব প্রসেস হচ্ছে then del y কোন কইছি del y means the coefficient of y that is minus 1 1 1 in the place of minus 1 1 1 we can write down the right hand sides of linear equation value that is 402 so that and the column 1 and column 3 in same like 1 2 1 and 402 1 minus 3 1 this is the process to find out the del x and del y similarly del z we can find out in the place of coefficient of z in the place of coefficient of z we can write down the also right hand sides of the linear equations values it is and column 1 and column 2 will be written in same it is 1 2 1 minus 1 1 1 and 4 0 बुझला आगे फंडामेंटल जानो नीचे करिया पे चेष्टा करियो ट्राई यस सर सो द del x del y del z फाइंड आउट करलो देन फर्स्ट स्टेप रे हम करिबा कोन करिबा फर्स्ट स्टेप रे स्टेप 4 माने रखो फर्स्ट स्टेप वाले कोन करिवो स्टेप 2 देन स्टेप 3 step 3 step 3 कोन करिवो ना x equal to del x bar del x कोन होची del x bar del y can find out bar del y bar del and z can we find out del z bar del this is the way of process to find out the x y z by the help of Cramer's rules of the system of linear equation step 1 में हम जो देखा उधर बोलছি step 1 ले हम चेक आउट करबा द फाइंड आउट करिया फर्स्ट कोन ना कोएफिशिएंट मैट्रिक्स अच्छा कोएफिशिएंट मैट्रिक्स कहार वेरिएबल x y z हम कोन करबा ए वेरिएबल अछि x minus y z 2x अछि कोन सेकंड इक्वेशन x y z आर इक्वेशन में x y z अछि नै जे x रो कोएफिशिएंट के होछि ना 1 2 1 so coefficient of y की होछि ना -1 1 1 and coefficient of z is 1 -3 1 बुझाला ये कोएफिशिएंट मान को हम लिखिबा को वे रे ना मैट्रिक्स वे एंड द वेरिएबल कैन बी राइटन इन कॉलम मैट्रिक्स एंड आल्सो द राइट हैंड साइड इक्वेशन को लिखिबा आल्सो कॉलम मैट्रिक्स देन स्टेप 1 को कोन आसीबा फाइंड आउट द डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ कोएफिशिएंट मैट्रिक्स we can find out the del by determinant of delta symbolically we can write down कौन करबा कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ मैट्रिक्स अच्छा कोएफिशिएंट मैट्रिक्स जहां थिला तार कौन करबा डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करबा एंड चेक करबा तो डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू नॉट इक्वल टू 0 and then in step 2 रे we can find out the del x del y and del z del x del y and del z del x means कौन होची the coefficient of x the coefficient of x अछि column 1 टा the place of coefficient of x we can write down the right hand sides values of linear equation अच्छा right hand side रो अछि किए values 402 हम लिखिबा कोठी right hand हमको लिखिबा ना x coefficient है कौन अछि column बुझना अच्छा कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x जगह लिखिबा केते राइट हैंड साइड रो वैल्यू अछि केते ना 402 सिमिलरली del y केते लिखो del y होची द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y जगह इन प्लेस ऑफ कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y we can write down the right hand sides of linear equations value similarly del z को होची द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ z column 3 the coefficient of del z we can write down the right hand sides values of system of linear equations then step 3 our comes to step 3 that is x y z find out करना अच्छा x find out करिवार प्रोसीजर कोन del x by del y होची del y by del z होची del z by z consistence or inconsistency with difference होची difference कोन what is the difference between consistence and inconsistency consistence means system has a solution or system has a finite solution definitely system has exist as solutions or system has a finite solution inconsistence means system has no solution there is not exist the solution for system of linear equations so that now we can solve this in Cramer's rules then we can solve the how to solve the system of linear equation or check the consistency and inconsistency of a system of linear equation by the help of matrix method eta मन रखो Cramer's rules रे प्रोसीजर होची कोन del x del y del z बाहर करिवो del बाहर करिवो then कोन होची x del x by del y होची del y by del z होची del z by del so that now करिवो कि नहीं First of all, we can find out the coefficient matrix that is delta between 1 minus 1 1 then 2 1 minus 3 into 1 1 1 and find out the determinant values of this coefficient matrix right the determinant values of determinant of this that like this that is category determinant and determinant of this will be 1 into 1 we can expanding along the row 1 so that we can deleting the first row and first column that is 1 minus 3 1 and the minus of minus 1 that is close 1 and deleting the first row and second column our rest element is 2 minus 3 1 1 and last element plus 1 only deleting the first row and third column the rest is 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 that is 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 1 minus or minus plus 3 plus 1 into 2 into 1 2 minus or minus plus 3 plus 1 into 2 into 1 2 minus 1. So that this will be 3 plus 1 4 plus 5 plus 1 that is 10. So the determinant of del by delta determinant kan paile not equal to 0. Then but del equal to 0. Determinant of delta equal to 0. Then step 2 paile step 1 le step 2 kon kariba the del x del y del z find kariba. First we will find out the del x. Del x the find out karibar way of process ko na x coefficient of x रखी अछि देखो coefficient of बेटा x की नहीं लेकिन तो बेटा को ना coefficient of x का कौन होची ना coefficient of y ये कौन होची ना coefficient of z बुझियला ये कौन होची coefficient of x coefficient of z सॉरी coefficient of y and coefficient of z हमें फाइंड आउट करबा del x होची कोन ना x रो कोएफिशिएंट जगह लिखिबा राइट हैंड साइड रो वैल्यू दैट इज 4 0 and 2 then our rest element or column 2 and column 3 are same that is -1 1 1 and third will be 1 -3 1 and also we can find out the values of del x. It is expanding along the first row, so the 4 into 1 minus 3 1 1 minus or minus plus 1 into 0 minus 3 2 1 plus 1 into expanding along the first row. It is 0 1 0 1 2 1. Now 4 into 1 minus or minus plus 3 plus 1 into 0 minus or minus plus 6 plus 1 into 0 minus 2. So that this will be 4 into 4 16 plus 6 minus 2 that is 20. That is 20. Then we find out the del y. Del y from 2 the coefficient of x and coefficient of z are reckoning same. The coefficient of x ki achi 1 2 1 2 1 and coefficient of y अगर कितने लिखिबा ना 402 प्रोसेस मने रखो then shortcut then coefficient of z will be 1 minus 3 1. So now expanding also expanding along the first row it is 1 2 0 minus 3 2 1 minus 4 into 2 minus 3 1 1 and plus 1 into 2 0 1 2. So that 1 into 0 plus 6 minus 4 into 2 minus or minus plus 3 plus 1 into 4. So that 6 minus 20 plus 4 that is minus 10. Now del z will be the coefficient of z जगह रे लिखा जो केते राइट हैंड साइड इज 402 so that 1 2 1 तो व्हाट इज द साइड ऑफ the 10 del z হচ্ছে আমার 1 2 1 minus 1 1 1 4 0 2. Now expanding along the first row, that is 1 into filling the first one that is 1 0 1 2 minus or minus plus 1, that is 2 0 1 and plus 4 into 2 1 1 1. So that 1 into 2 minus 0 plus 1 into 4 plus 4 into 2 minus 1. So that is 2 plus 4 2 plus 4 plus 4. That is 10 also. So that del x is 20, del y is minus 10 and del z is 10. Now our step 3 कौन कौन सी ना del x होची del x by del y होची del y by del z होची del z by del. So that x is our del x is minus cos 20 by 10 del होची 10, that is 2 and del y, that is y होची del y कैसे होची अब ना minus 10 by 10, that is minus 1 and z is 10 by 10, that is 1. So that our x is 2, y is minus 1, z is 1. You can check this putting this to values of equation 1 or equation 2 or equation 3. This is complete our solved by the Cramer's rules.